Hello there, and today I'm going to be drawing probably one of my favorite dog breeds. One of my favorite dog breeds. I think it's called the dachshund. It's just my favorite dog breed. I don't know, I just think they're one of like the cutest dogs, aside from like corgis and maybe like retro pugs. So I'm gonna be drawing this today. So get the camera a little fixed. Let's start off with the head. I'm gonna start off with the head. I mean, the face of a usually the face of a corgi usually looks like most normal dogs, but compared to the rest of the body, it's usually not the case. Sometimes corgis will have long ears. Well, not corgis, dachshunds. That's what I meant. And they have these short, stubby legs. And with these long bodies too. Do you guys think that dachshunds are similar to corgis in a way? Because they have these long bodies and they have these short, stubby legs. I gotta change up a little things a bit. I'm known to like do overcorrections in my videos. That looks more like a dog. I gotta. Well, I guess it didn't take that much longer. It didn't take that much long to make because I usually have like a very like clear image of dachshunds. Yeah, it's my favorite dog breed. I think they're sometimes referred to as wiener dogs too because of their long bodies and stuff. Kind of resemble a hot dog, so they're usually called wiener dogs. But the usual term for these type of dog breed is usually dachshunds. Yep. No, if you like my drawings, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and that's it.